Turn your home plans into reality with richmondcustomhomes.com. Buying your first home is exciting, but many buyers make common mistakes that can cost time and money. One big mistake is not getting pre-approved for a mortgage first. Without pre-approval, you may look at homes that are outside your realistic budget. Another common mistake is focusing only on the purchase price and forgetting about additional costs like property taxes, insurance, maintenance, and closing costs. Some buyers also make large purchases before closing, such as buying furniture or a new car. This can affect your credit and even risk your loan approval. Skipping the home inspection is another mistake that can lead to expensive surprises after moving in. The key is to plan ahead, understand the process, and work with experienced professionals who can guide you through every step. For more info, Dwayne Buziak, Mortgage Maestro, NMLS 1110647. 804-212-8663. Dwayne at coast2coastmal.com and visit richmondcustomhomes.com.